Welcome back to TechSolutionz. I'm Yasir, and today we're enabling snapd on MX Linux. Snap support isn't included by default on MX, but with a few steps, we can turn it on and make snap packages work just like they do on Ubuntu. I'll guide you through the full process, and you can simply follow the commands shown on your screen. We begin inside the terminal by refreshing the package list. This ensures MX Linux knows about the latest available packages before installing anything new. After the update finishes, snapd is installed from the official repositories. Snapd is the background service that manages Snap apps, updates them automatically, and creates the sandbox environment they run in. Once snapd is installed, the next part is enabling and starting its system service. This activates Snap support immediately. We also enabled the snapd socket, which lets Snap apps launch quickly and allows the system to start snapd automatically whenever a Snap package is used. These two services working together are what makes Snap applications behave like native apps. After that, we create the /snap directory. Snapd expects this path to exist, so we link it to the internal location where Snap packages are actually mounted. Without this link, most Snap packages won't run. Once the directory is in place, we reboot the system to finalize everything. This reloads systemd services, mounts, and security modules, ensuring Snap works smoothly. When the system comes back up, we test snapd by checking its version and installing a simple test package. If Hello World runs without errors, your Snap environment is fully functional and ready for real applications like Spotify, Discord, or VS Code. That's the full setup: snapd installed, enabled, and working on MX Linux 25. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want tutorials for Flatpak, AppImage, or VS Code installation on MX Linux. I'm Yasir, and you're watching TechSolutionz.